Welcome to the Windows Club. At times, you must have noticed this option for update and shutdown or update and restart while trying to shut down or restart your computer. And this means that a Windows update is pending, but if it stays despite multiple restarts, then there's a problem. In this case, either read through this article on the Windows Club. The link has been shared in the description section, or simply watch this video. I'll guide you through the solutions. The first solution is to restart the File Explorer. So right click on the taskbar, select Task Manager. This will open the Task Manager, then right click on the Windows Explorer process and select Restart. This will restart File Explorer. The second solution would be to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Click on the Start button. Select Settings, scroll down to Update and Security, go to Troubleshoot, click Additional Troubleshooters, find the Windows Update Troubleshooter and click on Run the Troubleshooter once again to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The third solution would be to set the power button to shut down. Right click on the power icon, select Power Options, choose what the power button does and select this at shutdown for both battery and in plug mode, which is basically when I press the shutdown button, what should happen. The fourth solution would be to instantly turn off the computer without updating it, and for this press the Windows key and the R button to open the run window, copy the command for shutdown and then go to the run window, paste it here, hit enter and your computer will shut down without you having to go to the power options menu. The fifth solution would be to run the Windows module installer. So copy the command mentioned here and then search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Select Run as Administrator to open the elevated command prompt window. Copy this command here, hit enter. Once you get the success message, it means that the Windows module installer has been activated. The next solution would be to reboot your computer in the clean boot state, thus making sure that no third-party program is interfering with this process. So for this, press the Windows key and the R button, type the command msconfig and hit enter. In the system configuration window, go to the Services tab. Check the box associated with Hide all Microsoft services. Then, if any other service is checked, select Disable all. Click on Apply and then on OK. You'll get an option to restart your computer. Click on this and your computer will reboot in the clean boot state. Lastly, if nothing else helps, then you may have to reset the Windows updates, and this has been explained over a separate article and a video. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club. Scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.